Here are the Gigalumi lights. Hey there friends! So I wanted to show you, first of all, I'm sitting outside in my ever-growing garden that I've been working on for the past year and a half, and I wanted to share with you these lights that I got from Gigalumi. I've been dying for some outdoor solar lights to illuminate this long stretch here, and it's double tiered. So here they are, and they come super nicely packaged. I opted for the set of 12. These are plastic, they are not glass. They are so stinking cute. I cannot wait to see all of these tiny windows illuminated in my garden. These are super easy to use. All of the stakes come here, so it comes with the part that goes in the ground and also the long post here. So they're super easy to put together. I'm going to try to do this one-handed for you. The bottom just goes in simply like this, and then you take the stake that's going to go into the ground and insert that here. Now, these are not only perfect to light up a super large area, but I also like to stick solar lights into single pots. Okay, now that I have most of my lights placed, I'm going to show you just how easy it is for the light show I'm hoping for tonight. So once you've got your pieces, you're just going to take off the top. Super easy, it twists right off, and here's your little light bulb, and there's just a really simple little on and off switch. Here are the Gigalumi lights, all lit up at night all the way down. They have a really nice, soft, warm, white glow. I really love them, and it looks exactly like I wanted. So I think you guys would be super happy with these, and go check them out.